Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So in this session I would like to explain Bootstrap 5 Navs. Okay, how to create a nav bars using Bootstrap 5. So let me see. Let me share my Visual Studio. Okay, create new file. Now we can save the file with Bootstrap Navs. So bs5 navs dot html. So I'm saving in this my source folder. Okay, let me save this one. Let me create a program. Just write here Bootstrap 5 navs. Bootstrap 5 navs. Let me create a BS link. Link CSS bootstrap.min.css file. Min.css. Now for creating this Bootstrap navs, let me take here. Let me take one container. So inside of that, let me create a navigation. So if you want to create a simple horizontal menu, so we can add dot nav class to the UL elements. Okay, so first of all let me create an UL elements here, and inside I'm creating a list item. So this is a nav item. I'm just writing here home. Okay, so for this home we need to set some link for this. Okay, so for creating a link we use anchor tag. Okay, right now I'll make it to ash. Okay, so here we need to add one class is called navlink. Okay, navlink is a class in order to add links to the nav components. Now I'm taking home. So for this list item we need to add, okay, this is a nav item, we need to add here nav item class. Okay, I told you that in order to create a simple navigation, okay, so we use dot nav class for the UL element. So here I'm taking class equal to nav. Okay, now created here home component the same way. So make copy of this one here. Okay, and I'm trying to change names about and service and contact. Okay, right click, open in default browser. So there we go. So we created here, so horizontal navigation. Now we can also add, okay, so we can also add here icons. Okay, for this we can write here, okay, line awesome, or we can write font awesome, CDN. So go to this font awesome CDN. So these are the libraries we have. Just copy this tag. Okay, we can paste it here. Line awesome. Okay, so below that we can paste it here. Okay, now we are going to add here so we'll add this link in the our code. Let me go to this browser. I can type line font awesome icons. Just enter. Okay, so go to this free icons. So let me copy this. Okay, I can click on this one. Let me copy this. Okay, we can paste it here, and similarly for about us also. Okay, I can click on this user, just copy, and we can paste it here. And so go to the services ones. Okay, for services also we can paste it here. Okay, click on this icon, copy this code, and we can paste it in services. So next thing is a contact us. So go to this, we can place, you can click on this one, you can copy this and we can paste it for this contact us. Okay, like you can place icons. Okay, so let me remove this, just trying to reload. So I place here navbar. Okay, similarly if you want to place this navigation bar on center align and right align, so we use justify content centered and justify content end. Okay, so same the same UL tag, I'm trying to copy this one. Okay, I'm trying to copy and we can paste it here. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So we have another navigation. So here itself, in the class itself, I just add justify. Okay, content, justify content center position. Okay, so we make this navigation center position. So let me take H2. Now left align. So by default it is a left align. So this now center aligned. Okay, and one more thing, now right aligned. Okay, so let's just copy this UL tag, we can paste it here. Now we will write justify. Okay, justify content end. Okay, go to this, just reload this page. See, this is a right aligned. Okay, so now left aligned, now center aligned, now right aligned. Okay, so we can also create a vertical navbar. Okay, for creating a vertical navbar, so I'm trying to write here vertical nav. So for vertical nav, so we can use this a class is called flex column. Okay, so flex column is a class in order to create a vertical navigation bar. Okay, try to copy this one. Okay, try to copy this UL tag. Okay, so here we are writing this class now justify content end, right? So we'll just write here flex column. Okay, just reload this page, so we place here vertical navigation. Okay, and we can also create now tabs. Okay, so for creating a tab we use the class is called nav tabs. Okay, so we'll add a nav class, nav tabs class for the UL tag, so it is automatically create okay tabs here. And also we can add active class for the active or current link, so that we can activate the tabs. Okay, so I'm trying to write one more H2, so creating a nav tabs. Okay, so you can paste it this one, simple. So here I'm just writing, so try to remove this one, I'm just writing here nav tabs. Okay, so I need to write active position. So for the first link, for home it will be active, so I'm trying to write here class active here. Okay, trying to write an active class. So go to this browser, just reload this page. See, I created here now. Okay, creating now tabs. So next thing, we can also create a pills here. Okay, so for creating a now pills, okay, so here itself we can directly write here for now, right? So I'm just writing here now. Okay, now iPhone pills. So here I'm creating the now pills, right? So for I'm just entering now pills, and to activate this now pills, so we need to write here an active class. Okay, so that go to this browser once, so we'll get here now pills like this. Okay, and we can also have justified. Okay, so this is a tab, right? We need to justify a total screen here, so we use here now justified. Now justified class. Let's reload this page. We can justify this content. Okay, see, like this we can create, okay, navs in Bootstrap.